What's going on, guys? So we're talking about AdWords today, but before we do me a big favor, like this video if you haven't done so already, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. We talk about business tips, marketing stuff to help you and your home service business grow. And one last thing, we have a podcast that we're doing every single week, and if you haven't listened to it, the link is in the description below. Check it out. You can find it anywhere that you listen to your podcast. So today we're talking about why AdWords is better than organic search and Google Places. So let's jump into the screen real quick and I'm gonna show you exactly why. So you guys can see down here where my mouse is circling, this is Google AdWords, okay? You can tell because it has the ad next to, the ad little symbol next to all these different companies. At the very top here, this Tampa Roof Cleaning, Excellent Exteriors, that's actually one of our clients here at our marketing company. We help with Google AdWords. And you can see that when searching for roof cleaning in the city that they're servicing, they popped up #1. So why is this important and why is it better than organic or Google Places? Well, let's scroll down a little bit. So we're here on a desktop, so it's gonna look a little bit different than it would on your mobile. And obviously mobile search is a lot more popular than desktop. But down here is Google Places. So not only are they below our ads, people are having to actually scroll down to get to it. Even worse is organic search, which is more than halfway down the page. And when you're doing this on your phone, it feels like it's almost at the bottom of the page. So what we see all the time is people are literally paying SEO companies $5,000, $7,000 a month to do SEO for their website to get #1 in the organic rank. And of course, it's not a bad thing to have. But even if you are #1 and you wait 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, it takes a long time to get there. You're still halfway down the page, where the guys that are hiring us here for Google AdWords, they're #1 and they didn't have to wait months at all. It's almost instant. As soon as we get your ads dialed in, you're #1 at the top of this page. And so it just goes to show that it's a pay-to-play platform, yes, where organic eventually is free, but these guys up top are getting way more traffic to their website. They're getting way more calls than any of the guys on Google Places or the organic search. And so that's why it's so important that you should be running Google AdWords, because other companies in your area are, and that's why they're dominating, is because they're popping up before you #1 on Google. So there you guys have it. That's why AdWords is better than organic and Google Places. And yes, it's a pay to play, but if you want to get big and you want to grow fast, this is the way to do it. So if any of you guys need help with Google AdWords, feel free to reach out. I'll put our website below. You can see all the pricing, everything we do. For Service Industry Marketer, we help companies like yours all over the country. But more importantly, we just want to make this video to inform you, for some of you guys that have never done it, why it's better than all these other platforms and why we believe that's where you should be putting your money on the internet.